Passwords. The password itself doesn't need an explanation, as you already know what it is. The real question is, do you have a secure enough password? Generally speaking, if your password contains an ordinary word, especially by itself, it probably isn't as secure as it could be. That's not to say that your password isn't secure right now. It very well may be. But if it's simply a word like animal or even password, you'd be surprised, then you're really at a huge risk. Even adding a number to your password like animal22 or password123 isn't safe anymore. Password crackers, software that cycles through passwords at fast pace, can run through different combinations with ease in just a short period of time. If somebody truly wanted to get into your account, they could even quickly roam through weird variations like these examples with a little bit of ambition towards breaking into your account. Enough talk about weak passwords. Let's cover how you can improve your current password or even generate a new password. In most cases, passwords are case sensitive. You can use this to your advantage in a lot of ways. Better yet, nowadays, a lot of services will allow you to insert symbols into your password now too. This means that you can turn a password like fastcar into something else and it will work flawlessly. Yes, it is an annoying password to type in and maybe even to remember. But think of how much effort it may take to crack a password like that. As it is, that kind of methodology could be enough to secure your password. But if you really want to step it up a notch and keep things essentially uncrackable, then you want to generate a completely random password. If you want to go the old-fashioned way, you can just come up with something random, such as the following examples. Those are really complex and may be difficult to remember. But just keep in mind, this is your security you're talking about, and that goes a long way. You don't have to go that complex either. A few capital and lowercase letters, a few numbers, and a symbol or two. That's all it takes to make it secure. If you want to have it all done for you, there are plenty of services out there that will help generate a password for you. Lastly, sometimes the account registration page found within the sign-up process for a service will have a bar that will tell you the security of your password, graded on a poor, medium, secure scale. There are even services that require you to have an X amount of capital letters, numbers, and symbol in your password to even proceed with the registration. So that just enforces the ideal that having a very secure password for not just your email account but any account is the way forward now and in the future. Important. Never use a universal password for all of your accounts, meaning using the same password for every account or multiple meant-to-be secure accounts, regardless of if it's email or other accounts, especially for forums and other registrations. I will discuss more in depth about this topic later on.